Across the globe, the rich tapestry of wildlife faces an alarming threat. Many species that once roamed freely are now teetering on the brink of extinction. This is the story of our endangered animals, and today we take you to a place that reveals a stark reality. Welcome to Pasar Hewan Splendid in Malang, a vibrant marketplace where you can find a wide variety of animals, from birds to fish and even flowers. But beyond the excitement of shopping and exploring, this market holds a deeper significance. It's a place where conservation effort meet community engagement, and where the fate of endangered species is being shaped.
Next generation, and to protect your I don't know in English, your patrimoine. It's the real riches for your country, to protect monkey, fish, birds or something. It's good for tourists, it's good for you, for your nature, and it's your history also. So it's more important to protect by citizen, by company. Okay, for the next generation, for the future, for us.
Yeah,
okay.
For us in the future.
Yes. Your country, or for example my country or my continent in Europe, it's more important to have several rights to protect, and for the citizen at school, for to learn, okay, for behavior, for to protect the nature, like birds, or to protect the water. Something is more important for to planet and for your country. Okay, for the future.
Terus pemeliharaannya, makannya rutin, pembersihan harus bagus, dan perobatan harus bagus. Yang kedua, kalau hewan supaya tidak punah, yang dilindungi harus jangan dijual, dilarang dijual, karena PA sudah bersatu sama pedagang-pedagang yang lainnya. Terus yang ketiga, hewan, ya burung lah, gimana, harus ada pelestarian, peternakan supaya tidak punah. Kalau sebebasnya ambil burung di hutan-hutan mesti banyak punah. Hewan-hewan manapun yang kalau diambil secara individu, ya liar, itu sebanyakan punah. Kita harus bekerja sama dengan pelindung alam. Yang memang dilindungi tidak boleh dijual, harus dilindungi. Terus tidak boleh mengambil induannya, yang diambil hanya anakannya. Kalau induannya diambil, semuanya harus punah. Semuanya sudah punah. Terus yang keempat, semua pasar burung di sini itu yang harus bekerja sama dengan Pak Wali Kota, terus ya pemerintah semuanya. Kalau sakit, ya burung-burung kita atau hewan kita disarankan ke dokter hewan. Itu semuanya. Terima kasih.
Ya, makasih Pak atas jawabannya. Kalau boleh pertanyaan terakhir, bagaimana menurut Bapak sendiri bagi kita sebagai anak muda untuk menyuarakan kegiatan agar untuk melestarikan hewan-hewan yang punah?
Seharusnya kalau sekarang ya, pemuda-pemuda sekarang, generasi muda yang suka pelestarian binatang atau hewan, itu harus melindungi sesuatu yang telah disediakan, terus harus melestarikan itu ada peternakan. Kalau tidak ada peternakan, itu semuanya musnah.
Baik.
Itu.
Baik.
We're definitely humans.
Okay.
Maybe environmental destruction, a lot of pollution, obviously climate change, deforestation. Yeah, nothing good really, pollution. Well, I wouldn't know any stats or figures or anything like that, but I certainly intuitively know that there's been a massive decline in a lot of species. I'm from New Zealand. Our country is full of birds, and the introduction of a lot of foreign animals has meant that a lot of our bird population, our native species, has died, which has really impacted sort of the environment that we have there in New Zealand. So certainly, there is a balance. There's a balance that we need each and every single animal. That's how essentially the world came to be. So the more animals become extinct, the more that balance is going to shift.
Okay, cool. Efforts.
Education.
Yeah, of course.
Education, definitely. I think people need to know what they're doing and how it's affecting the environment and the world that they live in. Obviously, you're filming here for a reason.
Yeah.
And there's probably a lot of people here that don't realise that their actions are having the impact that they are. So education 100% is you've got to fix that.
Hope is not lost. Conservation efforts around the world are making a difference. Sanctuaries and wildlife reserves provide safe havens for endangered species, while education and awareness campaigns strive to change public perception and behavior. As we live Pasar Hewan Splendid, we are reminded of the fragile beauty of our natural world. It's a call to action for each of us to play a part in protecting the endangered species that share our planet. Remember, every small step counts in the fight against extinction. Let's work together to preserve the beauty of nature for future generations.